Yo Nation, what's up? Meron ba tayo dyan? Ayun. It's been a while. I haven't done this before. Pero today, magja-judge tayo ng battle. Pero acoustic lang. Acoustic battle. Battle of acoustic.
Paano ko ba na-cover na tayo?
Patay siya sa akin. Pag yan, di plakado. Wala namang masama kung gumawa ka rendition mo, pero dapat plakado. Okay, that will be overwhelming for me, syempre. Na-recognize yung kanta siya. Pero panis pa rin sila sa akin. Joke lang. Okay, start na. Yun lang. Ayan, masaya to. Masarap na pakiramdam na ikaw naman yung nagja-judge. Matagal na akong ginadjust ngayon, meron na akong karapatan. I've been a partner ng TT Racing for how many months na din siguro. Siguro mag-iisang taon na din. And isa to sa effort ng TT Racing na hopefully you can guys check or support by means of subscribing. And ayun, here's my promo code. Siguro naman may kita nyo dyan sa screen na yan. So ito yung mga nangyari. Because tonight I've been looking for that kind of smile. I was sad when I saw into your eyes. The things that I've been searching for myself. Can you be mine? Yeah. Can you? Because tonight I've been looking for that kind of smile. I was there when I saw into your eyes. The things that I've been searching for miles. Can you be mine? Yung first pati yung second. Kaya na lang gawin nyo.
Wait. Yung sa first...
Abinoram na?
Hindi. Yung first recording, yung
First recording, di ba?
may nagsushoot
May nag-
Naputo lang ako.
Sa inyo ba yan?
Yung dalawa.
Sulat ng hangin sa akin kayo
It's about unconditional love. Wala
Yung pag-ibig na walang hinihintay na kapalit. And that's the greatest form of love that you can give to a person. Hangin could put you into sleep, something like that. No? So, di natin alam anong kaya ibigay ng hangin. Pero nandito tayo na inihinga natin siya. Diba? Tinatanggap natin siya kahit anong mangyari. So, ganun.
Umaga at gabi, o aking sinta, hawakan mo ang aking kamay, huwag kang hihiwalay, o aking sinta.
Bilis mo ba yun?
Binigyan ako din yung gitara.
Linis eh. Eto. Kaya verse na? Kita ko. Yung mga...
Ay, ganda
sa
rin
lasa
yun.
niya.
Ganda, ganda, ganda.
So as you can see, we had a content sa TT Racing. Meron akong promo code. There's my promo code. And ayun, nakakatawa lang na they go to different path or they go to different things, not just, you know, concentrating on marketing the chair itself, but they're marketing it in a subtle way, di ba? Because they're putting up some like that TT records, di ba? So big shoutout to Sir David, shoutout sa iyo kahit di tayo nagkita ngayong araw, and of course kay Jerens and to his team. So nakakatawa lang na may mga ganyang mga company or may mga ganyang brands who are supporting not just content creators but mga artists din, di ba? Masaya tayo na may ganyan tayong privilege na kilalanin tayo bilang artist sa kanilang brand, di ba? This concludes our night, and I wanted to end it with a blast. With a blast.